Hi guys, right now I will show you how to replace the rear turn signal bulb, which doubles as the stop light, and how to replace the reverse bulbs in GMC Savana. First we will remove these 3 bolts, 1, 2 and 3 right here. There is a 10mm socket. The reason why we had to remove this plastic cover is because there is another bolt hidden underneath right here, which we have to remove as well. And now you should be able to pull the assembly off. Also, when you remove the assembly, keep in mind that this one has to actually go here. That's when you install it, but when you remove it, you have to pull the assembly up like this. So be careful not to break it. Now we can easily remove each of the bulbs, turn them counterclockwise, and you will be able to access the bulb. The size is 3157, and to remove the bulb, you simply pull it out like this. Here we have our replacement bulb. As I said, the size is 3157. Insert the new bulb, put it in and turn clockwise. For the reverse light, the idea is exactly the same. This is our bulb. I believe it's 3157 as well, and the replacement gets done exactly the same way. Assembly goes back on, and now we're going to install our bolts. First we will install one on top and one on the bottom, and this one gets done a little bit later. Torque is minimal because this is plastic. This is enough. And now the plastic cover goes back on, and this is actually the reason why we left this middle bolt undone, because plastic panel goes on first, and only after that we can install the bolt, the nut. Our replacement is complete. As you can see, turn signals are working fine, stop brake light is working fine, and our reverse light is working as well. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.